Hello everyone, I am Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here's my lecture video series on the concept OOPS in the topic formatted and unformatted IO manipulators. In the first series, we have seen what are the what is formatted and unformatted IO operations, and what are the functions performed by it. In this series we are going to see we will continue uh, with the formatted and unformatted IO operations and its uses. Here we are going to see the getLine and write functions and what is the purpose of using getLine and write function. Both are used to display a line of text by using line oriented input output functions through getLine and write functions. GetLine used to read a whole line of text that ends with the new character /n, invoked by using object cin as follows: cin.getLine. Within the bracket we have to mention the line and its size. Reading is terminated as new line character using #n, which is used to encoder or the size of characters that should be readed. A new line character is readed but not saved. Instead, it can be replaced by a null character. The write function used to display the entire line and has the following form: cout.write. We have to mention the line and the size. The line represents the name of the string to be displayed, whereas the size indicates the number of characters to be displayed. Here, what are the formatted console or IO operations that are provided by C++? Here are the functions for input and formatting the output. The first one is IOS class functions and flags. IOS represents input output stream class functions, and the next one is manipulators. The last one is user defined output functions. IOS grants operations common to both input and output functions. Here, what are all the formatted function and how it will be working in an IO operations. Here is a function with. It is used to set the field with which is used to display the output with given with value. And the next one is precision. It is used to set the number of decimal point or a float value. The next one is fill. It is used to set a character to fill in a blank space of the field. The next one is setf. It is used to set various flags of a formatting output. Unsetf. It is used to remove the flag settings. These are the IO class functions and its working concept. The next one is a diagrammatic representation of a cout object, which represents the following operations. And the next one is manipulators. What is a manipulator? It includes in header file using iomanip.h. The manipulators are used to manipulate the output formats that are specifically designed to be used in conjunction with the insertion and extraction operators. Here, what are the manipulators and what is the purpose of it? Set W is set the field width to W. A set predecessor of D, it is used to set the floating point of precision to D. A set fill, it is a set fill character to C. End L, it is used to represent end with a new line. These are the manipulators which is used to represent the performance of an operator to a uh, particular specifically used functions. Here is an example. Cout extraction operator with set w of 5 and set precision of 2 with the value, and cout with end l end new line. These are the example of representing manipulators. Uh, Here is a user defined manipulators which represents the output stream, and manipulators with a set of statements and used to return the output stream. Here the output stream and is defined using cout statement. Within the quotation we are representing a string of characters. We have to set the value with value of and set precision and return the value of c. Here we have to assign the float value and have to represent the value which we have to assign with its width value, and setting a precision which represents the space allocated for this value. Here next one you are going to see what is the difference between formatted and unformatted. uh, the formatted and unformatted, it is used to supply uh, input output operation in a user defined format, whereas in output unformatted we are giving a supply of IO operations through a stream of characters. In formatted we are contain format specifiers in their syntax, whereas in unformatted we do not contain of any format specifiers. In formatted input we store data in a user friendly manner, whereas in an unformatted we store the data more compactly. In formatted we use all types of data types, whereas in unformatted we are using a more efficiently of strings and characters. Example of formatted is a printf scanf, whereas example of unformatted is a getchar, putchar, get and put. These are the following things we have followed in a input and output stream. Let's see what are the examples come in the next series. Thank you.